Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car starts shifting weirdly, enters limp mode, or won't shift at all. You check the OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0883, TCM power input signal high appears. This means the transmission control module, TCM, is receiving too much voltage, which can mess up your transmission's operation. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you where the key sensors and relays are located, the common causes, and how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0883 means that the TCM, transmission control module, is getting an abnormally high voltage input from the transmission power relay. This can cause erratic shifting, limp mode, or even transmission failure. If your car has this code, you may experience car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, harsh or delayed shifting, transmission not engaging properly, check engine light on, transmission warning light on. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually located in the engine bay near the battery or fuse box. Some vehicles have it inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan for access. Transmission control relay, TCM power relay. Location, typically located in the fuse box under the hood, near the battery. In some models it's inside the dashboard fuse panel. Wiring and power circuits. Runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Look for damaged or corroded wires around the TCM, relay, and fuses. Check your car's repair manual for exact details. Here are the most common causes. Faulty transmission control relay, stuck in the on position. Short circuit in the wiring, high voltage spikes to the TCM, corroded or damaged TCM connector. Defective transmission control module, TCM. Weak battery or unstable charging system. Step 1. Check the transmission relay. If it's stuck in the on position, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the wiring. Look for shorts, corrosion, or broken wires leading to the TCM. Step 3. Check the battery and alternator. Overcharging can cause high voltage issues. Step 4. Test the TCM power input with a multimeter. Ensure it's within the manufacturer's voltage range. Step 5. If everything checks out, consider replacing the TCM. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take a test drive. Ignoring P0883 can lead to severe transmission damage. If your car isn't shifting properly, check the relay, fuses, and wiring immediately. For more OBD-II error codes and fixes, watch these videos next. P0632, VIN, not programmed or mismatch, P0633, VIN, not programmed in PCM. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.